One of the things I love so much about living in Vietnam is you can live however you want every day. You can live super budget, you can live super luxury. Ho Chi Minh City has every level and all of it is intertwined. So like one day you can be really budget, the next day you can really luxury. It's just super great. Today we're gonna stick to the budget side and we're gonna see, can you survive in Ho Chi Minh City with just $5 a day? Now we're currently right now $5 is $130,000. So that's what I have right here. We wanna see, can we get breakfast, lunch, and dinner and still stay on our budget? Let's go find out. That's the spot, that's kind of it over there. So my oldest son wanted to eat this for breakfast. This is a crab soup, which might break my budget. We'll see. We're gonna eat this. It's bánh canh cua. This is a thick noodle crab soup. Blood, shrimp, pork inside. Not something we eat too often, but my son does like this. Do you want shrimp and pork? Do you want crab cake? Do you want just pork, just shrimp? Shrimp and meat? Hai tô tôm thịt. Hai tôm chả cua. Một bia bánh quai. You excited? We haven't had this in a while. It sounds good right now. Oh, and the bánh quai is the big good one, the chewy one.
You want some drink, guys?
Whatever's free. Get it? I forgot about the drinking part. If you're trying to do the budget, luckily, most places will have jada or iced tea. Usually, it's free to $2,000 to $3,000 per person. So I think it's free here. That's a plus. Come on. Big cup. Tastes like staying in budget. You like your bracelets, JD?
No, Dad, I know why. I know why Jade's so sad.
Why?
Because she doesn't get to sit there.
Oh, well that's fine. She can be sad. She's sitting next to mommy and daddy right now, but she's too spoiled to enjoy it, too stubborn to enjoy it. That's okay. We're still gonna have a great breakfast if she wants to be sad all breakfast long.
I guess we'll have some dessert.
Oh, I've been thinking about that cheese thing, bro. That's not gonna be in the budget for today. Tree and my wife are the biggest fans of the dish we're having right now, the bánh canh cua. What do you like about bánh canh cua so much?
Hello, the crab.
The crab?
The crab cake, the fish cake, all the different cakes.
Anything else?
The soup, the broth is just done.
The broth is, I gotta take you to District 3.
And the noodle. The only thing I don't like is the weird little Cheeto things.
Yeah, they're not very good.
What thing?
The little puffs that are not the bánh quai, they're bánh nồi. Yeah, they're not very good.
I'm with Tree.
What?
I like the noodle.
Yeah.
I like the thick soup. Yeah, I like the blood cake in there.
Yeah.
I like the crab.
There's so many cakes.
Yes, there's so many.
Blood
people.
cake, fish cake, crab cake.
Yes.
Do you like, I mean, because usually in the soups I like having a lot of vegetable, but this soup doesn't come with vegetable, but you don't care about that?
I don't give a about that.
You don't give that about that? Okay, so here's the shrimp and meat. Tôm thịt, that's you. That's the Cheeto thing bánh nồi we're talking about. What are you thinking, Liam?
Looking good.
Looking good? Can you show people what's inside there and then I'll show my bowl? Because we got two different things. Because you got pork, which looks tender. Yeah, that looked good. And you got shrimp. Tree and mine are the same price. We just got different meats inside. Oh, you're upset you didn't get a blood cake, but then all of a sudden you found it. Congratulations. Ooh, come on. So for my bowl, we got, I didn't know I was gonna get pork too, but we got sliced pork. I'm pumped about that. And then I got the chả cua. This is like a crab sausage patty instead of the shrimp. We have this really thick seafood broth, pork and crab broth, quail egg, mushroom. These are kind of like fried crackers. They're okay, they're not very good, honestly. And then this really thick tapioca noodle. So we got a little bit of a Chinese donut too. This is 7K for one order, so we're gonna split this. So let's say that adds 2K onto my bowl. These are so good, they're so chewy. And we can get 3 more plates of these if we want. Digging it? You like it? You like it?
I'm waiting for it to cool down. But I love my sister.
Oh, well, that's very nice. Well, we like that. It's a good way to start. It's rich, it's good. Very rich flavor.
Good choice, Tree.
Yeah, broth is like really thick, really rich, but also really mild in the flavor. It's not like a strong seafood flavor. It's not a strong pork flavor. The blood's good, tender. Yeah. You like the blood? This is good blood. We're a big vampire family, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how we stay young. How you feeling about this bowl? You think this is a solid bowl? Solid. I never crave this dish, but I do like it. When we get it, I like it. The soup's weird because like the more you eat it, the thinner it gets. As you start eating it, it just starts getting thinner and thinner.
I never really liked bánh canh cua.
How about today? Do you like it today? You do? Good. It's not my favorite soup, but it's good right now. Tree, I'll take you to the one in District 3 one day. That's one I think is the best. The ones that Mommy and I used to go to. You know, practice, you can practice.
Go louder.
You put your hand up. All right. You can get the Emily over there if you want to walk over. Don't give
Or
up.
you can just stand up.
Yeah, don't give up. You can do it. If you need to stand up, stand up. You'll get it.
Cho con một cái bánh quai.
Okay.
Wow.
This is one of my other favorite things about this.
I love this, yes. But not every spot has this, and that's my favorite part. This one has like a fake vanilla taste to it.
Tree, you don't want a blood?
I'll take it. I'll take it.
The blood's good. Try that. Just try a nibble of it. This is very good. Just a nibble. Just nibble. Just try it.
Bruh.
Not into it? Okay. This is really good blood, and the blood makes you strong too, man. It's got a lot of vitamin B in it.
I just took a whole bite of it.
I know you did. Whoa, so much black pepper. Wow, that was good. This isn't really a rating video, but Trey, would you come back to this spot? Number? What was that? 8? No, I agree. JD, would you come back here? Number?
90.
90. And it'll be...
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, you come back. Yeah.
I come back. On time.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is Pham Ho Lau.
There's a lot of food on this street.
Oh, this is a great street. Yeah, it's a great street. Give you time to recover for lunch. Let's see the damage. Emily, ding ding. Each bowl was 40,000 dong, which is $1.54. But the iced tea was 2K, and the crack and the little donut thing was 2K as well. My portion was 44,000, aka $1.70, more than I wanted to spend. It's gonna be tough, Trey. Gonna be tough. My plan was to stay at 40K per meal. We're a little bit over. So if we'll see if we can stay under budget today or not. Let's go. I have a lot of computer work to do, so I'm just gonna grab some lunch to go and bring it home, and we'll try back there. Let's see what we can find. Oh, and the little snack lady's not there either. Do I want soy gas, soy mang? Chị ơi, có soy mang không? Cho một phần. Cái này bao nhiêu chị? Exactly what I wanted, bro. Come on, yeah. Been working for a couple hours on the computer here. It's time for lunch. Let's see this thing. Bada bing. Sticky rice, but it's cold. I'm gonna heat it up. This is soy mang. Soy sticky rice. Mang means like salty or savory, so this is savory sticky rice. She also was selling soy ga, or like a shredded chicken rice. I think they were the same price. This was 25,000. 25,000 for a freaking meal right here. I'm pretty pumped about that price. This is super simple. We got the sticky rice on the bottom. We have some pate. This is a shredded pork floss. 2 different kinds of sausage. We have the jalua, like the steamed sausage, and then jachji, a fried sausage as well. Usually they season this with a little bit of soy sauce.
That has it.
Okay, want some? Yeah, of course you can try. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You want some too? I know you do, bruh. I know you do. Good?
Can you buy pate?
Oh yeah, you can buy pate. I made chicken liver pate, dude. There's pate in the fridge right now. I just made it. It's good. Toast a piece of bread. Whoa, bro. I'm still in the middle of it. So you know I toast all this bread, right? Or cut it all. And when you have it, you can use this knife or the butter knife. You can throw it in the air fryer or the toaster. It's pretty good. I mean, it's super simple. It's super cheap. And it's filling. This vendor also had soy ga, which is like a chicken sticky rice. So it'd be the same thing, basically. Pate and then shredded chicken on top. I think it was the same price too. So right around $1. I think sticky rice isn't the most popular thing in Saigon, but you can find it pretty much in every neighborhood. There's always gonna be somebody selling it. Pretty much at every market, you're always gonna see somebody selling it. And if you wanna try this and you're having trouble finding one, you can look at like bigger banh mi spots too, because sometimes banh mi locations will always have pate and the shredded pork and the sausages as well. So some banh mi vendors will also steam some sticky rice and serve that as another option. Pretty hard to beat for the price. Time to get back to work. A little side note, if you liked what you're watching, you like my channel, make sure you check out the CKSK channel as well, the Chat Going Up Studio Kitchen, where we post all the edited live streams too. If you're not following that page, please go follow it. My second page is so close to getting monetized, and that would be super cool. And a little side note as well, if you have any interest in becoming a content creator or YouTube or anything like that, just be aware that your job never ends, the editing never ends, the comment responses never end, forever and ever and ever. So if that doesn't sound like something you can handle or you can't do, this is not the job for you. I think with such an affordable lunch, I have the budget for a little snack before dinner. So I got a little bit of a craving for a fried banana. Let's go get a fried banana. You guys want to get a fried banana?
Yeah.
Perfect. She's here. Yes! This may put me over budget, but I'm excited. This is such a good one. Such a good fried banana. Kena ban Yuko? Boncho. Top tier banana vendor. Choi chin dai ngon quá. Yeah, come on, yeah. Freaking awesome. 10K. My goodness. Siêu ngon. 10,000, bro. 10,000, bro. How do you beat this? Freaking 10K. All right. Craving satisfied. That'll hold me over till dinner. It's time for dinner. Let's see if we can find dinner for less than 51,000. My wife said she wanted rice, so we're getting rice. Broken rice. Whoa, 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 guy. Come on, bruh. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful night. It's a little bit cool with the wind blowing. It's even a little bit more cool. Top tier night. Are you just impressed with my driving? Is that what you're doing here? Top tier. There's the chai. That means the come time is close. Is she closed? Wait a minute. Wait, what? I think she's closed. Oh, that would be so upsetting. I mean, I saw another come down spot, but I think she's right here. Oh wait, no, that's not it. It's 888, that's what I remember. What's going on? Oh no. Hi. Oh no. This was our spot. We were going here tonight, but it says come back again and sell in 2 days. Oh crap. The one over there is not as good and it's expensive. Let me think. There's always another option. We just had, this was the one we wanted. We like this spot. We like this spot. I know, we did place one on the left side. I mean, I'll try, I just don't have high hope. We'll check back in a minute. Well, as normal, we will drive around until we find the right thing. And there's something close by, I know that. There's so much here. We'll find it. Here it is. Oh, the music is pumping. Okay. Oh my God, your helmet's stuck on my shirt. Oh my God. We were acting like such a big deal when our spot was closed, but literally on this street, there's like 7 or 8 places to sell the same thing, at least. This is a new one. We never tried this one. We're gonna try it. Let's go see what the pork looks like. Chào cô. Hấp dẫn. Hopefully this fits my budget. JD, let's sit at this table. This one's wet. You sitting with me? Really? JD, I love sitting next to you. I'm so happy you want to sit with me. Oh yeah. Oh, thank you.
Có they have free tada?
Free Jada, free iced tea at this place. That is perfect. Perfect. We like that. JD, can I have a fork too or no? I like forks. Oh, come on. Thank you. Thank you, JD. We're good. We have 3 forks, JD.
Free iced tea.
Yeah, we got free iced tea too. Oh, look, he's making the iced tea over here. Oh, he's helping. Come on.
Yep.
Oh. Nothing tastes better than free. Actually, that's gross. Hooray! You did it. Thank you. You hungry? You ready? Perfect. Look at this guy behind you sitting with his foot up on the stool. Very, very big right there. Wow, you just setting the table here, girl. Thank you for the napkins. Wow, JD, that's really nice. Look at JD set the table.
For mommy?
Thank you. Wow. JD, you got a job. You're hired. You're coming to CKSK, baby. You are hired. I'm firing tree and you're going to come do dishes. You want to do dishes, get paid?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it. I like your attitude. Oh, she'll be great. So this is our broken rice plate. We got a pile of rice on the bottom, a grilled pork chop, a shredded pork skin salad with toasted rice, pork and egg cake, our spicy fish sauce, cucumber, and some pickles on the bottom there. Oh, did you get an egg too?
And meat is good.
Meat's good. The jazz is very beautiful. It looks like they bought it. It's very nicely cut. Sick, bruh. Here you go, JD. And we just got some soup on the side too. Like a little mustard leaf. Free tea, free soup.
Yeah.
We're crushing it. Oh,
So good, right?
it's tender. Wow, this is the most tender meat I've ever had with Kam Tam. It's so tender. Emily, don't tell me. More chili.
They love the meat.
The meat is like kind of amazing here. And now my fish sauce is spicy. Holy cannoli.
Have we been here?
We've been here a long time ago, but it was a different restaurant. They didn't sell broken rice. They sold chicken on rice and stir-fried noodle. But we never tried this one before.
It looks like we've been here.
Looks like we've been here. I mean, we have been here. You just have a good memory. You see how big this plate is, how much meat is on here with the soup and the tea. Do you think we will be under budget? Do you think this is gonna be less than $2? We'll see. Whoa, spicy. Whoa.
Dad, you like chili, so you like spicy.
I do like chili, so I like spicy.
I heard you say spicy.
It makes me feel like I'm alive, JD. You like it? You think the meat's the best part? Very cool. You try the soup too? You like the soup? Nice. Simple.
I love the soup the best.
This is kind of a normal broken rice. Pretty standard, but the pork chop is special. The pork chop out here is actually really good. Really good. If you're living in Saigon or you're in Saigon and you know broken rice, this might be worth coming to just to try the grilled meat. Everything else is fine. But it is the most tender pork chop I've had here, ever. And this restaurant is called An Bao Kam Tam. It's called Fat Brother Broken Rice. I think that's pretty funny. Liam, I bet you that pork, he'll like that pork. You got 2 pieces of pork to bring home. I bet you he'll munch on that. Once he tastes it, he's gonna love it. It's a cool little cooking station over here.
I've been to a wedding tired.
You a little tired? I love your hair. I love the one big tied ponytail and the little one too. Super cute. Did mommy do that? I like it. This street is so loud. I think I told I wouldn't even want to have a banh mi shop on a street like this. It's just too loud. I'm non-stop dealing with this sound. The pork chop here is almost like a ham. It's so soft. There's something about the texture of the meat. It's like cured. I wonder if they're marinating with like pineapple juice and sweet condensed milk. There's something breaking down the meat proteins because it's super soft. It flakes in a different way than it typically would. It doesn't have the same chew. Very interesting. My wife just got the bill. Guess how much the plate was? Drum roll. $45,000. We made it, JD. We got 6,000 dom left we can spend. Anything we want to buy? Let's see if we can find something for 6,000 dom on the way home for a treat. That's hard, actually. That one I might have to think about. That's kind of hard. How much is one flan? Probably 7,500. Probably 15K for two. If I can find a dessert for 6,000, I'll get it. Otherwise, we can't.
Yippee!
Yippee! All right, ready?
Yeah!
All right, go.
Oh, that's good!
You're just so cute.
That's pretty!
Oh, I'm so sorry. I apologize. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Son memwe. Look at her marinade over here. Go on, ma'am. Go on, come on, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Look at the name of their sign. And Bayo? Fat Brother Rice. That's so funny. I was looking around, I couldn't find any fat brothers anywhere. Maybe he's that brother over there, but he lost weight. Who knows? You see a fat brother somewhere? No. You saw a fat man here one day?
When I just came here.
Oh, when we got here? Oh, I missed him. We'll drive home, we'll see if we can find anything to buy for 6K. We're just gonna check and see how much a flan is. Woo.
Đây là 7.000, đây là 8.000.
The vanilla flan is 7,000. The fruity or the flavored flans are 8,000. So unfortunately, I think I'm gonna borrow 1,000 from my wife. What is that, 4 cents? Maybe 4 pennies or 3 pennies. So she'll buy me a flan. We'll make it even. So she's putting coconut milk and coffee inside. Oh, maybe it's cheaper if we eat it here, because she said mangbei or not. It might have been cheaper if it was here, because we wouldn't have to pay for the, darn it, that's okay. So you can see she's got plain ones, and then this is like green tea, strawberry, chocolate, I think that one's cheese. But flan's a super popular dessert here.
I took your seat.
You took my seat, girl, huh? Look at our little family vehicle. In America, you got a family of 5, you need a minivan. In Vietnam, you need 1 motorbike. Here's our flan, and it comes with crushed ice in the bag there. I'll show you when we get home.
Oh, I'm back at the top cut.
Wait. Yep, that's right.
It's got coconut milk and coffee on it. Pretty good. Can you survive in Saigon for $5 a day? Yes, you can. Pretty darn well, actually. Pretty darn well, with some snacks in between, yes. You can easily spend a lot more than $5, as I said. That's why I love Vietnam and Saigon so much. You can live any lifestyle you want day to day, and I could stay in the same area that we drove around today and live upscale too. Like, everything is here. It's so nice, it's so cool. But $5 a day, if you're eating street food, I don't want to say it's no problem, but it's not really a hard challenge to deal with. If you enjoy this style of video, please let me know. Put some kind of comment down below. Anything at all would be appropriate. Thumbs up, smiley face, I like this, cheap food, good food, whatever it is. Help me with the algorithm. Let's pump this channel up. I'm really working hard on the channel now. I'm really trying to build it up. So if you enjoy it, please give me any support you can. If you want to go on a food tour with me, check out chadkubanov.com. And also don't forget to subscribe to the CKSK page and also help me get that one monetized as well. I would appreciate that. I would love it. Trying to level up here in 2026. And if you do like this style of video and you want to see more like this, do you want me to go in a different direction? Should it be $3 a day? Really make it a challenge. Or should we go the other way and surviving $15 a day or $100 a day or something like that? Let me know. I'm down to work, always looking for new ideas. And I guess if I have to say overall, my favorite thing today was the ban can cua, the crab soup. That was probably the best. Although the meat at the gum tam was very unique, very cool. Peace.